Day 8 of the Fairbanks Four trial and the night of Jonathan Hartman's murder continues to be at the center of the case, from placing the new assailants at the scene to alibi witnesses.
You're still challenging whether or not he got back to the house when he said that he got back to the house.
People took to the stand today and yesterday to testify that they were with the men at the time of the assault.
And he had told me to, don't worry about anything, just tell them the truth.
Witnesses testified that Fairbanks Police Department detectives didn't believe their stories.
He didn't think I was telling him the truth throughout both interviews.
I realized that what I said really didn't matter, that there's something he specifically wanted me to say, and if I didn't, I felt like he was threatening me.
Those witnesses placed the four men with them at the time of Jonathan Hartman's murder.
He told me that Kevin was shopping for a story and asked me if he asked me to lie for him. And I told him no.
Many of those witnesses, including Alaska State Troopers, testified that they were threatened. Troopers corroborated that in earlier testimony, saying that the interviews were more like interrogations.
Well, I'm thinking I'm a suspect.
Were you afraid?
Very.
He turned the recorder off, and then he threatened me. He turned it off, and he looked right at me, and he said, if you don't tell me what I need to hear, then I'm going to make sure that you get arrested for this as well.
I'm Stephanie Woodard, reporting.